How to enable USB debugging on Android. This tutorial shows you how to unlock it through developer options. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap About Phone. After that, tap Software Information. At this point, find Build Number and tap it repeatedly, about 7 times, until you see a message confirming developer options has been unlocked. Following this, go back to the main settings screen. From here, tap Developer Options, usually found near the bottom. At this stage, scroll down until you find USB Debugging. Following this, tap the toggle to turn it on. A confirmation prompt will pop up explaining what USB debugging allows. From here, tap OK to confirm. Once enabled, connecting your device to a computer via USB and allowing the connection prompt lets tools like ADB communicate with your phone. That's how you enable USB debugging on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!